What are we looking for? What happened?
I can't fix that dent.
Was it that big?
Yes!
What happened?
I don't know. I hit a rock over there.
I went right over the
I went right over the rock.
shoulder steer. More damage. More damage. Right there. Nailed it. Nailed it. Muffler.
Let me see.
We got zip tied bumper.
Yep.
Are you tattling?
Ah, it's fine.
Are you tattling?
You can pull that.
Because you did it, and that's why it's fine?
Right, get under there with a little glue and...
Do that again?
No.
What was that?
She wants it bad. She's firing up that body up. Yeah, babe. You think that I want you, but not babe. You're one in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into girls with a plastic trace. Don't take it too personally. Yeah. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you aren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of I got it, but I
Tasty. What? I don't understand. Oh, break the truck. Buried it. Oh man! Get it! Punch it!
Know the truth, I'm a bit confused. But there's a bunch of us out in the world who's just like me, not into you. Say, you think the deal, you know nothing.
Alright, we're gonna do a little experiment. We're gonna drop it into two-wheel drive. Put it in two-wheel drive.
Too high?
Put it into.
Too high?
Yeah, put it in the drive. Put it in the drive.
Where's drive?
Just put it on right now.
Too high. Is it normal?
Okay, normal. Yeah, it should be too high.
Okay.
Take off the traction control.
It's not on.
Alright. See what happens. Probably have to find a pretty deep spot. We'll see. But we got it in two-wheel drive. See if we can get it stuck. And then get unstuck by pushing back into sand mode. Okay, now okay, stop. Just go right here where she was in that divot. Now come back around towards me. Two-wheel drive. Just can't get it stuck. Are you floored it? Are you floored?
No, I'm not floored in.
Now go play. Fitz! Fitz! Hey! Fitz! Where Fitz? Right here, Cassie. Back up. Back up. Here, Fitzy. Keep coming. Yep. Okay, stop. A little more. A little more. All right.
Somebody
All right. Sand mode.
Sand mode?
Hey, hold on. Buried it.
Put it in normal off-road mode and vary even further.
Four?
Yeah, just 4.
Just 4 auto.
Just 4 auto, not sand mode, not nothing.
Okay.
Like,
And see if you can bury it. Go in reverse. You got 4 auto? Four auto? You got 4-wheel drive, right?
Yeah, 4 auto.
Wonder why the front's not there.
what mode is it on?
None. Normal.
Put it on mode, honey.
Put it on what mode?
Put it on, switch the drive modes.
To what?
Switch it over to gravel. Mud ruts. Do gravel.
Gravel, snow.
Hey, get out of here. Get out of here. Go. Go, get out of here.
Reverse? All the way. Alright, married. I'll see you guys later.
Yeah.
Meet you back in Phoenix.
Oh my gosh. Hey, Ashlyn, grab Ella. Grab Ella, don't let her go. All right, sand mode. Rolled right out.
Done! Barely even had to do anything.
Yep.
All right, that's Vulture Mine. Even though we didn't get to see the mine, looks like we saw remnants of the mine though.
Yeah,
That's kind of nice.
I think we did. Those concrete pillars.
Classified, well, we did the trail in the Arizona off-road book. Classified as a moderate trail. What do you think, Jacob?
Yeah, that's pretty accurate.
Pretty moderate.
Moderate. Besides the entrance into the trail, definitely very satisfied. You know, it had just enough of a challenge to require some 4-wheel drive.
Not much technical stuff at all.
No.
No, just more
No.
along the normal desert rough road.
Yep. Go with that.
Yep.
I did love. So like I said earlier, aired down quite a bit, down to about 12 psi in the Expedition, and it was so smooth. Like literally, I had no struggles.
I'll buy you a drink, keep you company. I'm sorry, that's all it will be.
That was pretty hilarious. So I don't know if I got it on video or not, but right as we're getting ready to head out of the trail, I was trying to turn the video on, but there's a little bank over here, goes into the Hassayampa River, and Cassie was driving and she went a little fast. I think she was worried about the sand, getting stuck in the sand, and literally ripped off the rest of the bumper.
We tore half of it off,
Yeah.
for sure.
We-
Lays
we-
in the bed of the Tacoma right
we
now.
cut. So here's what's left.
Oh, we took
Get
off.
this is what we took off. This was on the Expedition this morning, and now it's not. It's done. So
We need some bumpers and some armor
yeah,
on this Expedition.
yeah,
Keep doing it what we're doing.
yeah. Mod liftgate AC2U.
Oh, the button.
To the bottom.
Sensor.
Yeah, that.
The foot sensor.
Oh great! Now I can't use my foot to open the liftgate.
It doesn't work anyway. Half the time.
I mean, at some point we're gonna get there where we're gonna be keeping up with you, hopefully.
Well, that's the whole goal, right? That's the whole goal is
It
to get your truck to where my truck has been able to take my family.
Right. I mean, I know we probably haven't pushed it super hard, but we've gone to where we wanted to go. You know, that's kind of what counts.
Yeah, and like we've said, we're taking it on the easy, moderate trails first.
Yep. Yep.
See what the vehicle could do, and then we're gonna gradually get up to the harder trails, and get that expedition to keep up with the Tacoma.
Yep.
Show the people that you don't need just Jeeps, Toyotas to get going, you know?
Yep. Especially if you're a bigger family like us, we have 3 kids and our pup. We need a little more space than what the Toyota can handle. So, why are they so loud? why are those things so loud? Oh, they're coming. Is that cool?
Like and subscribe.
Absolutely. Thumbs up. Not the thumbs down. We don't like those. Thumbs
Click.
up.